folks, Brent from Current Projects here. Today I'm going to show you how to adapt the track from a Festool Tracksaw for use with a router in order to create a dado in a piece of plywood. The key is this custom-made, sort of shop-made base right here. It's essentially, a piece of plywood with some holes drilled in it for ventilation and for the bit to come through, and then you've got two dados run right here, which ended up being a little over 5/8 of an inch wide. I had to put a couple shims on the dado to get the right width, but these integrate with the two raised portions on the track saw so that it'll slide perpendicular to it. I've added also one other dado, which I then inserted a piece of hardwood into and planed it down to the proper thickness, and that's really just to take up the thickness of the track saw itself so that when you're riding on the track saw it keeps the base level to the workpiece. So let me show you how this works. Okay, I've got my dado marked out here. Works out that the track saw sits 1.25 inches from the dado. Depending on how you build your base, that may be different for you. I'm using a 3/4 inch router bit here, which is going to create a lot of friction. So although the track does have these grippy pads on the bottom in order to keep it from moving around, I don't quite trust that for this operation, so I'm going to add these clamps in order to ensure that it's reliably tight and not going to move around on me. In this case, I'm doing a stop dado, and I'm doing this on multiple pieces, so I've just made this little stop that hooks on the edge. I'll clamp that in place. Okay, and then essentially, I'm just going to take my router, place it on the track saw. First time I did this, I was getting a little bit of sticking. So I did a couple things. I chamfered all these edges in order to create any point where it's going to pinch. And then I also put a little bit of paste wax on any surface that's going to come in contact with either the track or the workpiece. And since I did that, it's working really smoothly. So I'm just going to set my depth for 1/4 inch. All right, and then we are ready to go. There you have it. Nice, perfect, clean, accurate dado. Thanks for watching.